Well, hello, fellow printers. I'm here for part 3 of my Mark IV and MMU3 video with some ideas on how to make things work in a small space thrown in. So the last time, I think it was in part 1, I showed how you can turn the MMU off in the menu and set it up for single filament. And what I did is I'm not putting spools here. I'm just using this as a filament holder for single filament. And remember, I had it come off this reel. So I'm back doing multicolor. And all I had to do is turn the MMU on in the menu on the printer. And here it is. And as the sidebar item, I just use an old Windows 98 machine and a Junko camera for video monitoring, which I highly recommend if you're not going to be next to the printer. And let's see if we can catch a color change going on here. I think we will in a bit. I'm printing a oh, there we go. So it's retracting the filament. You see it come out here. Now it's inserting filament. Going down, it's going to do some purge. That was a different color. One thing a friend taught me, there's a array in the Prusa slicer where you can set how much purge between each different color type. And it's really important when you're going from a dark color to a light color to increase that purge volume. Okay, so it just did a color change, so now it's back to beige. And let me take another sidebar here. Remember I said with just like 60 pounds of filament on a ping pong table, so I do have supports under the table or this would have already collapsed. And I'm only using 1/2 of the ping pong table, as you can see, so you can do printing like this in a small space. And let's see if we can catch one more filament change. And should see some buffer action. And what else? Again, food dehydrator instead of an expensive purpose-built dryer. And I think it's going to change here again in a second. So just see it printing a bit. Okay, here it goes, I think. Yep, here we go. So it's retracting the filament. Let's see if we can get the buffer in here a bit. Doing some purge. I think it hasn't retracted yet. It's about to. Yeah, it's about to. So watch the buffer down here. And see the beige filament come out, and it looks like it's gonna pull in some black filament. And there it goes, it's gonna purge a little bit here. And another sidebar, this is the way I like the Mark IV screen to look, and what I have on the 4th line there. Okay, so it's purging the black now, and we'll print some more black. Here we go. And since that's such a short print, I'll wait through another color change. Okay, so it's doing a purge here. Okay, now I'll get a close-up of the MMU when it's changing, which it's about to do, based on my limited, like 1 week long experience. Oh man. Okay, there it goes. You can see the black retracting. Now it's going to move the selector. And there it goes, inserting more beige, and then it will purge out the black here. This is where I set the number going from black to beige at a much higher purge to get all the black out. But there you go. And again, 3D printing in a small space here. I'll step back. And a totally non-edited or scripted video. Again, list any questions you might have in the description, and happy printing. And I gotta say, I'm very happy with the Mark IV and MMU3 choice. Take care, folks.